Hello again. Welcome back to Aegis Armors. My name is Frank, and today we're taking a look at this 2015 Ford F-250 Crew Cab. Here's our starting point on the 2015 F-250 we're working on. As you can see, a lot of heavy acid etching and water spots. Stay tuned to see the amazing transformation we were able to do with paint correction. So here's the same area of the hood after a two-stage paint correction. While not perfect, it's certainly a huge improvement from what we started with. Here's a quick clip of the bed of the truck. As you can see, there's a heavy amount of swirling that progresses into a cleaner area. This was the first stage of 2 for our paint correction. Here's the same area of the truck bed after 2 stages of paint correction and polishing, literally looking like a mirror reflection. This video starts in the area that has had 1 stage of paint correction and moves to what the surface looked like before correction started. This is the same door after 2 stages of paint correction. It's amazing how you can transform dull, hazy, scratched up paint back to better than new. You don't always need a new paint job. Hey, my name is Frank. Today we're going to talk about the maintenance on these vehicles that we ceramic coat. This doesn't really just apply to our ceramic coat. Our products work on any car that's got a ceramic coating on it. Once a car has ceramic coating, you'll basically rinse the car every couple weeks. Then you'll take a foam can, apply our Foam Fury or our Spectrum, which is a ceramic-based soap, adds a little more gloss. Basically let it sit on the car for about a minute, rinse it off, take a leaf blower and dry it. No touch, no scratch. About once every 2 to 3 months, you'll do a 2-bucket wash using grip guards, of course. After you get done with that, you'll take our Aegis Armor Renew, which is our maintenance coating for the ceramic. You'll take 3 microfibers, wet one, wring it out, spray the Renew right onto the first microfiber, the wet one, wipe it onto the vehicle, let it sit for about 15 seconds, wipe it off with a dry microfiber, buff it with a 3rd dry microfiber. That's all the maintenance that has to be done on the vehicle. This product can be used on glass, wheels, paint, plastics. It's kind of a one-stop shop. On the vehicle that we just did in this video, we also used our Black Widow non-sling tire gel. This can be put on in a satin finish or a high gloss finish. For the do-it-yourself crowd, we've also got a couple products over here. We have Shield, which is a 6-month coating, and Shield Elite, which is a 1-year coating. This one is applied actually like you would apply a real ceramic, doing a 2-foot by 2-foot area. Let it sit for about 15 seconds, buff it right off, last up to a year. If you have any questions about ceramic coating, even if you're not in our area, give us a call, 336-570-9790. We'll be more than happy to help you out and answer any questions you have. Thanks, have a great day. Customer brought this vehicle in for an assessment. It is a work truck. It had very heavy water spotting and acid etching. We weren't really sure what we'd be able to do as far as an outcome on this vehicle due to the condition it was in. After we did the full wash and clay bar, we did a 2-stage paint correction followed by a polishing. Then a solvent wipe was done on the vehicle to remove all the oils left behind from the polishing. That way the ceramic coating adheres directly to the clear coat itself. We then applied our Aegis Armors HD ceramic to all exterior paint and door jambs. We then moved on to the glass and plastic lenses and applied our Aegis Armors ceramic glass coating. And finally, we did the wheel faces with Aegis Armors HD ceramic wheel and caliper coating. It'll make them super easy to clean and maintain. Final of the vehicle came out way better than expected. Our customer really couldn't believe how great the truck looked when he picked it up. He said it actually looked better than it did when he bought it brand new. So that says a lot for what my guys accomplished here. So if you have a vehicle and you're looking to protect it or put it back into the condition it was in when you bought it new, give us a call, 336-570-9790, or stop by the shop. Thanks. Have a great day.